vulture with wings so wide. V is for violin played with pride. V is for vase where flowers stay. V is for van taking us on our way. V, we can agree. Learning V is the key. V, let's do with glee. The letter V is fun and free. V is for video we love to see. V is for vacuum cleaning happily. V is for vampire story to share. V is for best warm clothes we wear. V, we can agree. Learning V is the key. V, let's jump with glee. The letter V is fun and free. V is for vulture with wings so wide. V is for violin played with pride. V is for vase where flowers stay. V is for van taking us on our way. V, we can agree. Learning V is the key. V, let's do with glee. The letter V is fun and free.